Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Byte. Today we are covering C language operator and expression with quick MCQs to boost your skill. Test your knowledge, pause the video if you need more time, and see how many you get right. Let's get started. Which of these is an arithmetic operator in C? Options are and, plus, equals, and double equals. Option B is correct. The plus sign is a basic arithmetic operator used for addition in C. What is the output of the following in C? Options are 3, 1, 0, and 10. Option B is correct. The modulo operator gives the remainder. 10 divided by 3 leaves a remainder of 1. Which operator is used for logical AND? Options are given below. And the correct option is B. Logical AND is represented by double ampersand in C. What does the following expression evaluates? Options are assignment, equality check, addition, and logical AND. Option B is correct. Double equals checks if two values are equal. Which is the correct operator for not equal? Options are not equals, angle bracket, tilde equal, equals not. Option A is correct, not equals. Not equals checks if two values are not equal. What is the result of 5 by 2 in C? Options are 2.5, 3, 2, and error. Option C is correct. Integer division discards the decimal, so 5 divided by 2 is 2. Which of the following has the highest precedence? Options are plus, multiply, assignment, and equal. Option B is correct. Multiplication has higher precedence than assignment and addition. What is the result of 4 plus 5 into 2? Options are 18, 14, 13, and 10. Option B is correct. Multiplication is done before addition. Which of these is a bitwise operator? Options are logical OR, bitwise left shift, logical AND, or equality operator. Option B is correct. This is a bitwise operator that shifts bit to the left. The others are logical or comparison operator. What is the meaning of A++? Options are pre-increment, post-increment, decrement, and double increment. Option B is correct. A++ increments the value after the current statement. The operator is used to assign a value to a variable. Options are equality operator, assignment operator, inequality operator, and access in structures. Option B is correct. The assignment operator assigns a value to a variable. For example, x equal to 5 assigns the value 5 to x. What is the result of plus plus a if a equal to 5? Options are 5, 6, error, and undefined. Option B is correct. Plus plus a increases the value before use, making it 6. What does the following expression mean? Options are invalid syntax, x, y, and z are initialized to 0, only z is equals to 0, and runtime error. Option B is correct. X, Y, and Z are initialized to 0. The expression changes assignment from right to left. What is the result of the following? Options are 0, 1, 2, error. Option A is correct. Logical AND is true only when both operands are true. What is the output of the following? Options are 1, 0, true, and undefined. Option B is correct. Not operator negates the value. Since 1 is true, it makes false. Which of the following is a unary operator? Options are plus, minus, increment, and modulo. Option C is correct. Plus plus operates on a single operand, making it unary. What is the output of the following? Options are 1, 2, 4, and 3. Option C is correct. Left shift moves bits. 2 became 4, after one left shift. Which of these is a ternary operator? Options are question colon, double and, increment and left shift. Option A is correct. Question colon is known as ternary operator used for inline conditional expressions. What does the following statement means? Options are given below and option A is correct. The AND's equal operator is a bitwise AND assignment. It performs a bitwise AND between A and B, then it stores the result back in A. Which of these is not a relational operator? Options are less than or equal to, not equal to, logical and equal to. Option C is correct. Double ampersand is a logical operator, not a relational operator. Relational operators compares value while logical operator combines Boolean expression. Which operator is used to access structure member using pointer? Options are dot, arrow, ampersand, asterisk. Option B is correct. The arrow operator is used to access member of a structure through a pointer. If A is equals to 5, what will be the value of A after executing A is equals to A asterisk A? Options are 10, 25, 5, 7. Option B is correct. Which operator has right to left associativity? Options are multiply, assignment, modulo and plus. Option B is correct. Most operators in C have left to right associativity, but assignment operator like is equals to have right to left associativity. Result of the following expression. Options are 0, -1, 1 and -0. Option B is correct. 0 in binary is all zeros. Applying the bitwise NOT inverts all bits to 1, which represents -1 in 2's complement on a 32-bit machine. What is the result of the following? Options are compiler dependent, always 2, always 4 and always 8. Option A is correct. The size of int varies by compiler and system architecture. Of these is not an assignment operator. Options are plus equals, equals, multiply equals and double equals. Option D is correct. Double equals is a comparison operator used to check equality, not for assignment. The other assigns value with arithmetic operations. What is the output of the following? Options are 21, 22, 20 and undefined behavior. Option D is correct. Modifying and accessing A without sequence point causes undefined behavior. The output cannot be predicted. Which of these evaluates to true in C? Options are 5 greater than 3, 5 equals 3, 5 not equals 5 and 5 and 0. Option A is correct. This is a valid relational expression returning true. What is the result of the following expression? Options are 100, 200, 0 and x. Option A is correct. Since x is greater than 0, the condition is true, so 100 is assigned. Which operator cannot be overloaded in C? Options are plus, equals, size of and ampersand. Option C is correct. C does not support operator overloading. Size of is a compile time operator and cannot be overloaded. How many did you get right? Comment below your score and any questions you have. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we will cover MCQs on control statements. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to EasyByte. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring.